Right, good evening, folks. Yeah, you find me here on a winter's night. Did you see those dark skies, man? Yes, very dark indeed. We're on a shopping expedition. It's 5:15, folks. Yeah, it's going to be a busy time, but I need to get aftershave. Not aftershave. I need to get razors and deodorant and just stuff that the men's stuff. The stuff we need stuff in the cupboard down below under the sink. All those things that you pick out and go, what's that for? Yeah, right. Okay, I need that spray stuff. Lotions, razors, God, I need it all, man. Right, here goes. Right, folks, we're going to Home Bargains. Home Bargains this time of day. What's going on? The traffic was really busy, man. Really noticeably tons busier than when it normally is when I'm driving to work. I normally go to work about 5:30, but it's so busy. Just at this time, it's not 5:15. What difference? Right, folks, what do we buy? We've got the razors. Yes, we got them. They're only $2.99 for 104, 101. Wow, 101 razors. Yeah, fantastic. 101 razors for $2.99. Brilliant. Got myself some deodorant. Dove Men Care. That was, God knows, £1 something. Got some. Oh, I got some Rennies, and I've got some Kit Kats. Yes, of course, got Kit Kats, man. And we also got some retro. Now, don't laugh, folks. All right, but we're going to splash it all over. Remember that Henry Cooper and Kevin Keegan back in the 70s or the early, no, I think it was the 70s. We're going to splash this all over. We're going to splash this all over. It's like aftershave. Oh, God, it's got in my eye. Oh, God's sake. Oh, man, that's sore. Splash it all over. Oh, into the eye as well, for goodness sake. Oh. Right, folks. Well, there we go. I've splashed it all over. Let's see if that's the essence of man. This is the essence of man. Oh my God, what a smell. Actually, it's not too bad. That was only 99 pence. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to have it. Splash on lotion. Brute. Parfum Prestige. The essence of man. Right, I've got to go to work now, folks. Right, folks, here we are. Yes, we're at the Green Pyramid of Consumerism. There it is. Doink. Right, we're going in for, what do I need? I need bread, tartar sauce, because I'm fishing that, and Rosie likes tartar sauce. Bread, tartar sauce. Oh, God, there was something else, and I've forgotten what it is now. But we're going in anyway, folks. Look at the car parks. They've done all these nice lines in the Asda car park there, so you get some extra door space, when you open your doors. People park really close to you sometimes. So yeah, we're going in, and what was it again? Tartar sauce, bread. I had to get something else. Strawberry jam for me, toast. Yes, that's what we've got to get. Now this is a new one for me because I've never actually bought tartar sauce before. So I'm assuming it'll be in the pickle aisle, kind of like this aisle here maybe. Right, we'll see this here. My folks think it's in this aisle. I think I found the right aisle. Salad dressings should be here somewhere. Right. No, it's not here, man. It's a bit of a disaster. I thought it would be here in this aisle here, but no, beside the tomato sauce and that, but just can't see it anywhere. Oh, here we go. The spice aisle. Spice aisle. If it's not here, then I might have to ask. No. Right, back in the safety of the car, folks. A stroke of luck there. As I was looking for my tartar sauce, I bumped into my mate's brother, and I can't remember his name. He's a councillor. Andy Dawson is his name. That's my mate. Two Pies, we used to call him. Used to play PlayStation, all sorts of things, till 6 o'clock in the morning. And every Thursday it was him, myself, Colin, and a couple of other folks sometimes, but mostly just myself and Colin. And Two Pie would fall asleep, so he's called Two Pie because, funny enough, he would eat two pies. Anyway, I've sidetracked. Bumped into his brother, who's a councillor, and I can't remember his name. Is it Kevin? I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm on really low battery, by the way, folks. So I have to be quick. And I was telling blah, and I said fish for tea, so tartar sauce. And his wife works in Asda. And his wife was there, and she took me straight to the tartar sauce, which I was standing almost beside it. So there we go. I've got my tartar sauce. I've got my Asda's own brand strawberry jam, which is actually really good. Nice and juicy and berry. I've got a loaf of Asda's own brand soft white bread, and I've got Rosie a present. I've got her a wee half bottle of vodka, and all that cost me £8.57. Fantastic. Right, let's go home now. The typical thing is I've not got the wire. Where's my wire? Honestly, I don't know what I did, but I had the wire here somewhere. Bro nicked it. Bro's stolen it when he was here in the car. Right. Oh, God's sake. Right, anyway. Right, we're going home, folks. Well, I've just come to my car and somebody's left this. A red berry juice drink. So, good morning. Yes, this is Thursday, and yeah, somebody left that juice drink right beside my car. Anyway, so taking them upside. There's a man right outside. Look at him there, just there. He's dug into the ground and he's got the wires out and everything. God knows what he's doing, man. Something to do with electrics, I think. So we'll just leave him to it. I was speaking to the neighbour, Wendy, we were putting the bins out there. A bit of binopolis here, folks. That bin there is chock-a-block. It's absolutely jam-packed. It's just not been emptied, so I don't know what's going on there, man. So I have to try ramming things into it. So speaking to the neighbour, and she said she spoke to the man here, but he wasn't very communicative. So we don't know. My nose is running, man. Jeez. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, folks, I'm still listening to this Ash album, by the way. It's been about a fortnight. This has been on my CD player in the car, constant on play, man. It's just an amazing album. I mean, I skipped through a couple of tracks, but most of them I just absolutely awesome. It's getting better and better. I gave it a 7 out of 10. I think I still stick by 7 out of 10 because there's a couple of tracks on there that are just a little bit not quite up to scratch, but most of them, Burn Baby Burn, Shining Light, Sometimes, There's a Star. I mean, they're just fantastic tunes, man. They really are. They've been well crafted, brilliant guitar work. I just love it. It's just been this must have been the longest that I've had any CD playing on my car by this band Ash. So I'm glad I found them. So I'm going to go and look for some more stuff of theirs. This was a pound from Groucho's. I still stick by the fact it's a terrible album cover. It really is. Look at him. Look at that. It's horrible. I don't know if that's you. Oh, God. It's a drummer. The woman, Charlotte, she was in the band for a while, but she seemingly left, or they got rid of her for some reason. I was watching a YouTube video of them, and it was their 20th anniversary or something, and he said it wouldn't be an Ash 20 anniversary without Charlotte, and she came on stage and played a couple of numbers on them. So yeah, I don't know what happened. No, I got rid of her, man, but she was a great guitarist. So we're here at work, and we're going in. We are going in.